In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ruko F11 PRO Drone. The Ruko F11 PRO Drone is an ideal choice for beginners, offering a range of features that make flying easy and enjoyable. Compliant with FAA regulations, it includes an integrated remote ID module for safe operation. With up to 60 minutes of flight time, thanks to two 11.1V 2500 mAh batteries, the drone allows for extended use and fun. It comes equipped with a 4K UHD camera for stunning visuals, including 2.9K, 30fps video and 120-degree FOV lens, as well as a 90 degrees adjustable camera for a wider perspective. The drone is designed to withstand level 6 winds, making it more stable than mini drones. Intelligent flight modes, such as follow me, point of interest, and hand gesture shots, make it easy for beginners to fly. Additionally, it features GPS auto-return functionality, ensuring safe flight even in cases of lost signal or low battery. The F11 PRO is a perfect gift for those new to drones, offering a fun and user-friendly experience. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720. The Holy Stone HS720 drone offers an excellent combination of features for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, it provides high-resolution, smooth images and videos, even in challenging conditions. Its GPS-assisted intelligent flight system ensures safe, hassle-free flying, with functions like automatic return, follow-me mode, and circular flight around a point. The drone is powered by two long-lasting intelligent batteries, offering up to 52 minutes of total flight time, and features a foldable design for easy portability. With multiple sensors and an intuitive controller, including a range of 3,000 feet, it's simple to operate, even for those new to drones. The package includes the drone, transmitter, batteries, propellers, and a carrying case, making it an all-in-one solution for aerial photography. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720R. The Holy Stone HS720R is a high-performance 4K GPS drone designed for adults and advanced users, equipped with a 4K EIS camera and a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, professional-level photos and videos. Featuring a 10,000-foot FPV transmission range, the drone offers powerful brushless motors and a 26-minute flight time with its upgraded 2,950 mAh modular battery. Its advanced GPS system ensures reliable positioning, allowing for features like auto-return and precise navigation. The HS720R is beginner-friendly with an intuitive control system, including modes like auto-hover and optical flow positioning, as well as impressive functions like follow me, waypoint flight, and point of interest for an enhanced flying experience. This drone offers a smooth, accessible, and customizable aerial photography experience for both new and seasoned pilots. Number 4. DJI Spark Mini Drone. The DJI Spark is a portable drone designed for adults, featuring a sleek alpine white design packed with advanced technology. It boasts a high-performance 2-axis gimbal camera capable of capturing stunning 1080p video and 12MP still images, ensuring shake-free shots through mechanical stabilization. Ideal for intermediate users, the drone offers a range of intelligent flight modes that allow for intuitive quick-shot videos with just a tap, enhancing the flying experience. Its powerful propulsion system provides speed and precision control, while obstacle sensing features promote flight safety. The Spark includes essential components like a micro USB cable, charger, extra propellers, and a storage box, making it a complete package for aerial enthusiasts seeking immersive flight experiences. Number 5. Potensic D88 Drone. The Potensic D88 is a high-performance FPV drone designed for adults and skilled users, featuring a professional 4K Full HD auto-adjustable camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and built-in gimbal for capturing real-time images from various angles. It is powered by four 1350 kV brushless motors, allowing for stable flights at speeds up to 50 km per hour, and comes with two high-capacity 3400 mAh batteries that provide 32 to 40 minutes of flight time. The drone incorporates GPS and optical flow positioning for smooth, stable flying, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experts, with a one-button GPS return feature for added safety. Notable functionalities include a Follow Me mode and point of interest tracking, with 4K HD images transmitted via 5G Wi-Fi without delay. Additionally, the compact, foldable design of the D88 makes it easy to transport, as it can be conveniently stored in an included aluminum case, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures.